welcome to our conversation today. A little short introduction to ourselves. My name is Mark Harper. I'm a Solution Consultant here at GlideFast Consulting. I've been working in the space for just over 10 years, focusing a lot on configuration management, ITOM, and best practice around the ServiceNow platform. I'm fortunate to be joined today with Michael Lombardo. Mike, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hey, thanks Mark. Hey everyone, my name is Michael Lombardo, CEO of GlideFast Consulting. Just quick background, I've been in the ServiceNow space about 12 years. Started off as a customer, then got into consultant worlds, and then founded GlideFast. How you doing today, Mark?
I'm doing great, It's
Really?
great to be back at Knowledge, get customers talking to customers, get an understanding of what people have been successful with over the last few years. Thrilled to be here.
Been on a couple of year hiatus here for
a little
Knowledge,
bit, a little bubble, yeah.
We're back. So, Mark, let's talk CMDB.
Talk CMDB.
CMDB, why is CMDB so important for ServiceNow customers?
So, CMDB is the foundation of the platform.
Yeah.
You can't really tell a great, better together story without it going through the CMDB.
Yeah.
So if you want to really elevate your software asset management practice,
Yep.
you might want to tie it into your security operations vulnerability response. That's all done through the CMDB.
Yeah.
So if you want to automate, if you want to accelerate, the CMDB is where it's going to be.
Yeah, it's really the common denominator for the whole platform, right? For every process we have in ServiceNow, you really need that CMDB. Why is CMDB so challenging, or in some cases so challenging for customers? And I feel like it's never perfect.
And that idea of having to be perfect
Yeah.
is sometimes what holds people back.
Yeah.
Like, don't let the idea of perfect stop good from going out there.
Yeah.
But from a challenging perspective, I think people they look at it too much like a database,
Yep.
rather than a system of action.
Yes.
You focus on your use cases up front,
Yeah.
and design your CMDB around the use case, not the data,
Yeah.
then you can be able to showcase your success and go back to various different steering committees or your end users and showcase the value of a CMDB.
Absolutely, and better, not perfect.
Exactly.
I think that's the goal all the time. How can a partner like GlideFast or a partner with expertise really help a customer get a better CMDB and get to that better state?
I think being able to articulate what success looks like, being able to describe the value of what the CMDB brings.
Yeah.
And we've been fortunate enough to see a lot of bad CMDBs over the last 10 years.
Yeah.
So we know what mistakes commonly are made by customers and help them move forward.
Yeah.
And just talk about what the actual value is rather than getting stuck in the weeds of the data.
Absolutely, and like you said, it's like never done, right?
It's never done.
Always,
like, if you
Yeah.
talk to somebody and they say, I want to do a CMDB project,
Yeah.
that's your first red flag.
Yeah.
Like, the CMDB it only
it's a
stays
process.
It only stays current as long as you don't do any changes.
Yep.
And if IT's not doing any changes, you're probably going out of business.
Yeah, it's a great point. So last but not least, what's the future of the CMDB for ServiceNow and for ServiceNow customers?
So I think close to real-time metrics is really what's going to be part of the future.
Yep.
Right? We're moving to a more containerized environment, serverless compute. So being able to get close to real-time representation of what our IT estate looks like is where we're going to be going. Rather than relying on scheduled jobs, probably using like webhooks between different tool sets to give that accurate representation of what my IT estate looks like at this point in time, not yesterday or last week.
Oh, love it. Thank you everybody for this little session on CMDB. Follow us at GlideFast.
Thank you guys.